Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting the recline angle of their Graco Grows4Me car seat? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Lift and slide. Lift the red backrest locks up and slide them together while the car seat is in the 6th recline position. Step 2. Remove seat back. Remove the seat back from the seat base by pushing the seat back up and lifting it out of the base. Step 3. Replace seat back. To replace the seat back, reverse steps by aligning the seat back with the base and pushing it down into place. Now you should be able to easily adjust the recline angle of your Graco Grows4Me car seat. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Graco users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.